Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella, and the channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we're going to make an old classic. If you're my age, you will remember the K-Mart Subs. So come on, let's get started. Okay, so first you start out with the buns. And I just bought these, they're called Nickel Deli 6 sub rolls. And I'm only going to make 2 of these today. So, you need Oscar Meyer Bologna. And you want 1 piece of bologna for each sub. And then you cut it in half. And you put it cut side towards the center of the roll. Okay. Next is the Cotto Salami. It's the salami that has the peppercorns in it. And you're going to do the same thing with it. And that is just 1 slice per sandwich. Then you need some honey ham. And again, it's just 1 slice per sandwich. We used to go to K-Mart all the time, and we would get these. Okay, you need a slice of Kraft single cheese. Kraft single American cheese. And you just fold it in half and put it on your sub like that. Okay, now you want some really fine sliced shredded lettuce, and you don't want a lot, just a little bit. And then you want some sliced onion that is sliced almost so you can see through it. And once again, you're not overloading. You're just putting a little bit on there. Okay. Now you just want a couple of pickle slices. And the thinner the slice, the better. Then some banana pepper rings. And once again, you don't want a lot because they never put a lot of anything on their subs. Now the tomato. And the tomato is sliced really thin. You can almost see through the tomato. And then last but not least, the French's yellow mustard. Now, when you would get these subs at K-Mart, they wouldn't actually have the mustard on them. The mustard came in this little pack, and it would be, your sub would be wrapped in plastic, and the mustard pack would be laying on top of the sub wrapped in the plastic. And that's what they looked like. And I'll show you how they came. Take your cling wrap, and that's how you would get them, just like this. But instead of having the mustard on the inside, there'd be this little packet of French's mustard right here on top. And there you have it, our K-Mart subs. Let's give them a taste. For some of you, I hope this brought back some good memories, because it did for me. So let's give it a taste. Tastes just like K-Mart's. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video, I would appreciate it. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to support the channel, there is a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list and our PayPal account in the description box below. I will put this recipe in the description box. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. I hope this brought back some good memories. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.